Class 6 CBSE Maths Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas Exercise 4.5 A complete video guide from the YouTube channel Nithyavin Padivugal. Problem number 1, page number 82. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? See, first thing is we have to draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral with points or vertices P, Q, R and S. It is a four-sided polygon. To know more about polygon, sides, vertices, adjacent sides, adjacent vertices of a polygon, you refer to my another video, polygons. The link will be given in the description box. Okay, you can refer. Name them. Draw its diagonals. See, a four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. See here, four vertices are given. So it is a four-sided polygon. The line segments that joins two non-adjacent vertices are called diagonals. Two non-adjacent vertices. What do you mean by non-adjacent vertices? You can refer non-adjacent vertices in the link given below in the description box. Okay. Now let us see the problem. We have drawn a rough sketch of a four-sided figure, four-sided polygon, which is called a quadrilateral. No need to worry about the length and breadth of the quadrilateral. You can draw just a four-sided polygon. From the figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. And now we have drawn quadrilateral, then we have to draw diagonals. Diagonals are nothing but line segments that joins two non-adjacent vertices. Okay. A and B are adjacent vertices. Right. B and C are adjacent vertices. But A and C are non-adjacent vertices. So draw a line segment between them. Now, what about A and D? They are adjacent vertices. Okay. Now, what about B and C? C and D. They are adjacent vertices. So, B and D are non-adjacent vertices. So, draw line segment between them. Therefore, AC and BD are the diagonals. Meeting point of AC and BD is O. See, these two diagonals are meeting at some point. We name it as O. Why do we name the meeting point? See, after drawing the diagonals, we have to name them. It is given in the question. What we have to find out is that meeting point is in the interior of the quadrilateral or in the exterior of the quadrilateral. Obviously, the meeting point of diagonals is in the interior of the quadrilateral. So, we have to conclude that meeting point of diagonals AC and BD is O, which is in the interior of quadrilateral ABCD. Next problem. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State two pairs of opposite sides, two pairs of opposite angles, two pairs of adjacent sides, two pairs of adjacent angles. You can find the definition and examples for opposite sides and opposite angles in the link given below, which includes polygon, side, vertices, diagonals and all. I have given the link in the description box. You can go through. Answer. Subdivision A. Two pairs of opposite sides. See, KL and MN or NM are two pairs of opposite sides. A pair means set of two. We need two pairs, KL and NM are two sides, but it is one pair of opposite sides. What about another pair? LM and KN. Now we have got two pairs of opposite sides. Next, two pairs of opposite angles. Angle L, angle N is a pair of opposite angles. Angle K, angle M is another pair of opposite angles. Angle L and N can be written as angle KLM. Angle N is angle MNK or KNM. Okay. Next, angle K can be written as angle LKN or NKL. Angle N can be written as angle LMN or NML. Okay. Both are same only. So, angle L and N, angle K and M are two pairs of opposite angles. What about adjacent sides? The two sides which share one common vertex is called adjacent or called adjacent sides. See, KL and LM is having common meeting point L, so they are adjacent sides. LM and MN are having one common point, one common vertex M, so LM and MN are adjacent sides. So KL, LM and LM, MN are the two pairs of adjacent sides. Next, two pairs of adjacent angles. Angle K and angle L are adjacent to one another. So, this is a pair of adjacent angles. Angle L and angle M is another pair of adjacent angles. You can write angle M and angle N, angle N and angle K. You can choose as your wish, but they should be adjacent to one another. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Nithyaven Pathivigal for more maths videos. Share this video, share this channel with all your known friends and students who are in class 6. Thank you.